Hi, we are now in the Ontology Explorer where we create, edit, explore, and manage our knowledge graph models. In this video, we're going to see how to create a concept in the model. With Timbr, there are two methods to create concepts. For those who like code, concepts can be created using SQL DDL statements, which we will show in one of our next videos. Otherwise, we can create concepts in a visual manner without the use of code, which we will do now. When choosing to create concepts visually, there are several options. One option is to click on Create and choose to create a new concept. Or we can choose Concepts from Property to create a concept based on properties that already exist in our model. The second option is to simply right-click on a concept and choose to create a child concept. In this case, as this is a brand new model, we only have our root concept thing, which every model starts and inherits from. So let's begin. Once we click to create a child concept, a Create Concept window appears. We'll give the concept a name. Let's call this concept Person. We'll add a description for the concept. Let's say Person Info, including name, age, and number. We can see, of course, that our concept will inherit from concept thing. Next, there are three main tabs: Properties, Relationships, and Logic. We'll discuss each of these in depth in the following videos. For now, we will continue by creating a few simple properties for our concept person. We'll go ahead and click on Create New Properties. We'll call our first property Person ID. It'll be of type string. We can add a description or make this our primary key or entity label. However, for now, we'll just continue with another property called First Name by clicking on Add and Create one more. Our property First Name will also be of type string. And finally, we'll click on Add and Create one more to create a property called Age, this time of type integer. Great, so we now see our new properties that were added to the concept. For our primary key, we will choose the property Person ID. We choose a primary key in Timbr, which is a virtual primary key that acts as a unique identifier for the concept. This primary key ensures that there are no duplications in the data. Next, we'll assign our property First Name to be the entity label for our concept. An entity label in Timbr determines how the concept's data will appear when exploring the data on a graph. Finally, let's click on Add New Concept and we're done. Just like that, in a matter of seconds, we were able to create a new concept in the model.